Hey guys, I want to show you how to create a glow eyes effect in Capcut. Let's get started. Start by selecting the video you want to work with. Go to the Cutout tab and click on Customize Cutout. Use the brush tool to carefully brush over the eyes of the character. Next, select the Effects tab and choose Video Effects. Then select Edge Glow. Adjust the edge glow to 10. Now let's enhance the glowing effect further. Go to the Effects tab and choose HDR2. Then set the glow to 10, size to 60, sharpness to 100 and speed to 0. It's time to export the video. Now add your old project. Incorporate the video featuring the glowy eyes effect as an overlay. Adjust the size of the overlay video to fit the eyes perfectly. Choose the blend option and select lighten. And finally export the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.